Okay, I'm here at facebook.com with my page skeleton, which just means there's nothing on this page at all. Should look very similar, if not identical, to the one you have created. What I'm going to do here is I'm going to go through my 5 critical elements and show you step by step as I upload and create them exactly what I have done in order to have them optimized, using the foundation of knowledge that I have described to you in this module. So let's start with the page name. Here it is. To edit the page name, come over here to settings and then click settings. Page info is the second one on the left, and you can see your name here. Click edit on the top right. So the name of my page is Charisma on Command. Click Save Changes. And let's go back to our page. And as you can see, our name has been updated. This is just the brand name. Again, remember, you keep your title as simple as possible. If you want to add your location or a slogan to clarify exactly what you do, please go ahead and do this. Charisma on Command is one of those self-describing titles, so I'm going to leave it as it is for now. The second element of the page is our profile picture, which is right here. They make it really easy to add your profile pictures, so simply click Add Profile Picture and upload photo because it's saved on my computer. Find your photo on your computer and open it. It'll upload here for you. And as you can remember, how to optimize your profile picture is 1, simplicity. Use very minimal colors. As you can see here, I've only used 3 colors, white, black, and orange. And also make sure it's a symbolic looking image, because it does display very small here on your Facebook page, but also around the Facebook website, it will be displayed very small, and you want it to be recognizable when it is displayed small. So the other part of the second element is obviously your cover image. Again, they make it very easy to add a cover by just clicking Add a Cover. You can choose from your photos if you had some uploaded, or upload photo from folder. Here's my header image. Just going to open that, and it will let you drag to reposition. Because we have created this at the perfect size, 851 by 315 pixels, there's no drag capability here. If your picture was larger, you'd be able to drag it so it's positioned perfectly as you want it. So simply click Save Changes here. As you can see, the images are optimized to have great continuity with each other. The black, the orange, and the white. I have a little bit of grain here with what I would call a charismatic face. And of course, the website on the top left, just to try and get people familiar with the website and the brand. On the right, I've made sure to right align the main features of this image. As you can see, most of the text is over here on the right, and this is actually I've used the opportunity of this cover image to advertise a competition, which is very useful to do because, as you know, the cover image gets the most eyes out of any element on your page. It is also adding value to my page and gives people a greater incentive to like the page. One other thing I'll point out that I've done here is I've used this little black bar here to help highlight the title of the page. So when the title is displayed, it is in this little black box, so it is more prominent to the viewer. Once again, as you can remember, if you want to have a button on here, if this win was a button, you could click this and simply add a description and insert a link here to where your competition was or to your homepage so people can access that. The third element I'm going to put on this new Facebook page. The third element I'm going to add to this Facebook page is a brief description. So this is your short description. You also have a long description, which I'll get to in a moment. So to write a short description, simply click Edit on the right and insert your short description here. I have one pre-made. Click Save Changes, and as you can see, if you go back to your page, it'll be updated. So what I want to point out is I've optimized this description to have keywords such as charisma. I've also offered value through this by telling people they can inspire, impress, and energize everyone that they meet by following this page and following this brand. And I've also had a call to action, which is check out our website below. There's arrows down here pointing to the website. So let's go ahead and add our website in here now. So click enter your website. Here's the box. Be sure to include the HTTP and the full address like that. So click save changes and that'll update for you. If you come back to our page, you'll be able to see our new website down here, and it does not display the HTTP, so it is very clean and simple looking. Again, the arrows are pointing down. I can add a couple more arrows if I want, but I like the way it looks at the moment. So as you can see, apart from the apps and the tabs, our Facebook page is almost fully optimized for users. When they come on, they're going to be more likely to click the like button now than they were when it was just the page skeleton. So what we want to do now is add a starting status of acknowledgement. If you can remember, we want to acknowledge that our Facebook page is new and paint a picture for what content will be posted on this Facebook page so people can get familiar with our brand and know if they're going to want to like our page. They can also understand what they can expect to see in the future from our page, which helps us get relevant likes. So to post a starting status, simply click here. Okay, so here you can see I have our starter status of acknowledgement. Now when people come to our webpage, they'll be able to see this and understand what we're primarily about, and also it'll make sure our page is not just totally blank, so they are more inclined to press the like. The other important detail to add is to upload 1 or 2 statuses or updates that portray the type of content you're going to be uploading in the future, so they can understand once again, they can understand what we're going to be having on our site and what they're enrolling to by pressing the like button. So to upload this starting content, simply click photo or video, or you can do a status if you wanted to. I'm going to upload a photo that I've previously created. In the next module, I'm going to show you exactly how to find, create, and post great content that people like. So here's one that I've created. So again, this accurately represents what we will be posting in the future. So now when people come to this page, not only will they see this photo, they will see our starter status of acknowledgement. They'll be able to get to our website. They see what we're about. And they also see that we have a competition running, which I'm going to use an app to facilitate. And they can see our brand's picture here. So the last thing we have to do is add an event or milestone. So here we go. An event will be in the future, a milestone is in the past. So if we click milestone, so we can pick a date that the milestone was achieved, have the title of the milestone here. So say if your company was created, you could have a photo that you could add here to help personalize it, a location of where it was created, and a story. This was the day that our company was born. If you have a photo in there of your founders, it's going to be really, it's going to help really personalize this page. And as you can see, when you come down here to that date, you can see the milestone. I am going to edit this so it looks a little bit better. I'm going to throw a photo in there and make it the correct date. If you want to come over to our page, Charisma on Command, you'll be able to see exactly how it looks. Awesome. So this is everything you need to know and all the steps you need to take to get a page exactly like this. Now that we have an optimized page so that when people visit our page that they will press the like button, we're next going to figure out how to get great content, how to find it and how to create it, and when to post and how to post it in order to increase our exposure. And then in module 5, we're going to get our Facebook likes off and running. We're going to build from our 0 likes, not sure why this says 1, it should be 0, to our 1,000. Let's do it together. I'm excited, guys. I'll see you in the next module.